Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to include microphone audio in your game recordings on Windows 11 using Xbox GameBar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, you'll want to access your system settings to configure the audio recording options. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window, giving you access to all your system configurations. Once the Settings window opens, you'll see various options displayed on your screen. From this list, look for and click on Gaming. This section contains all the settings related to gaming features on your Windows 11 PC, including Xbox GameBar configurations and recording options. After clicking on Gaming, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the window. You'll notice a menu with several options listed vertically. Look for the option called Captures and click on it. This is where you'll find all the settings that control how your game recordings are captured, including video quality, audio sources, and storage locations. When you select Captures, the right side of your gaming window will update to show the Capture Settings menu. Take a moment here, as you'll need to scroll down through these options to find what you're looking for. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled Recorded Audio. This section specifically controls which audio sources are included in your game recordings. Within the Recorded Audio section, you'll see a checkbox that says Turn Mic On by default when I record. This is the key setting that determines whether your microphone audio is automatically included every time you start a game recording. Simply click on this checkbox to enable it. Once you do this, your microphone audio will be captured alongside your game audio in all future recordings, allowing you to add commentary or reactions without having to manually enable it each time. And that's it. You've successfully configured Xbox GameBar to include your microphone audio in all your game recordings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.